Adobe certification really paid off for me because it really gave me a whole new set of skills. And it's great on the resume, and I think everyone should really join this competition.
Experience is really overwhelming. I would say that give it a go, because if you don't try, then you forever be afraid of not knowing the outcome. So once you try, then you know there's no harm in trying.
Just do it, just push through. But at the same time, I feel like I can help Malaysia do something in the future, taking Malaysia to another step.
So this year, I finally achieved it. So don't give up and don't ever find any excuse to give up.